Hey guys, today I have Lenovo P53s. Let's find out what this laptop has to offer. You're watching Wendy. Okay, so let's look at the configuration. Lenovo Thinkpad P53s i7 8565U. So we're getting i7 8th generation, 1.8 gigahertz, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of SSD, 15.6 inch screen, Windows 10, 64-bit, yada yada yada. Let's take this and open this baby up. Alrighty, let's see, some paperwork. We don't want to see that, eh? Let's put this box on. I think that's probably gonna be the charging case. Let's open this up. Yeah, looks like USB Type C charging. Let's put this back in. We don't need this right now. And here's the laptop. Got a seal. Wow, I really like their matte finish, ThinkPad branding. We have our headphone jack, thank goodness it's still available on our laptops. Our USB charging station, I think this is for another USB-C, maybe you want to use for a dock. One not USB-A, one HDMI, SD card slot. On the other side we have another USB-C, and for your fan, for heat, and RJ45 for hooking up with internet. Let's open this, see what's there to offer inside. I like the screen to body ratio, not the best, but it's still good. I'm a fan of this screen of this size. I think it's 15.6. Yeah, it's 15.6. We got Lenovo branding here, P53s. Here again it says i7 8th generation, like I told you guys before. Let's look at the keyboard. Keys feels really nice. I will give it 8 out of 10, so that's a good number. I like the idea of it having a speaker bar right over here. Looks pretty big. Hopefully there's a big speaker inside. This is something I really like, this number pad. Any laptop which has this number keypad automatically gets some extra points from me. I'm a person who works with numbers a lot. I believe nobody can work on a laptop without working on numbers unless you're using a laptop just for surfing purpose. And my assumption is people who buy a ThinkPad, they use it for their work machine, and for a work machine you need this. You need a keypad. Everything looks good on the keyboard side except one flaw. This key right over here, function key. I hate having function key on bottom left corner because my mind is set this is the control key. So I'm gonna If while typing I may mistake it for control key, may type it again and again, this is not good. Let's turn it on. Not sure if it has any juice. And it doesn't. Let me take this and hook it up. I'll be right back. All booted up. I like everything so far except this function key over here. I believe there's a way to turn it off from the BIOS. I just searched about it and I haven't tried it, but you probably would be able to turn it off from the BIOS settings. Let's look at the other areas. We got Microsoft Edge, unfortunately. That's what Microsoft gives. At least it's... Let's go to YouTube. Let's Bing YouTube. And let's see how the speakers are. Hey guys, today I have JBL Live 300 TWS. It's the latest JBL's truly wireless earbuds, and let's find out how they are. I'm Sujal and you're watching. I like the sound quality. It is on par. I'm sitting a little behind for the sake of recording this, and I can hear everything clearly. It is good. I have no complaints about the speaker at all. Screen quality is good. I love the feel of this laptop. From my recommendation, I'd say this laptop is good. Another thing guys, I believe it also has a fingerprint unlock right over here, like you can see. Let's look at the settings. Yes, there is. You can unlock using face, fingerprints, pen, security key, password, or picture password. Everything looks good so far. And here's the webcam and Microsoft sample from the laptop. Comment down below, let me know how it looks, how I sound. According to me, it's pretty good. It's not the best, but it's still pretty good. I'll say a 7 out of 10. It's good. Subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with our geeky world. I'm Sujal. Like this video if you liked it. This is Van Geek.